Hello friends, welcome to the first YouTube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar, and today in this video I'm going to discuss one more topic related to solid principles in C#. The name of the topic is Dependency Inversion Principle. So before going to our topic, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel. Friends, I'm watching that people are seeing my video but not subscribing, so I want to say that please subscribe. So let's go to our topic. Thank you. Dependency inversion principle. It says that high-level module should not depend on low-level class or module. Both should depend on abstraction. High-level class or module means a class which requires object of another class for performing its functionality or its operation. Low-level class or module means it is the class whose object is required by the high-level module or class. Okay, and abstraction can be achieved by using interfaces. So when we want to add abstraction in our class or in our application, interfaces are used for providing abstraction. Now here in the figure, you can see that I am having one class action and it is not following here inversion of control. So this is the high level class and it is having one send notification method. So send notification method requires this method will send the notification, email notification. So here in send notification class, I am creating object of email notification because this for sending notification we require email notification class. So I am creating object of it. So this high level class action is depend on low level class here, low level module. So here they are directly depend on this class. And by using obj.send, I'm calling the send method of email notification and I'm sending a notification. Now this is the definition of email notification class here. So it contains send method and here is the business logic for it. So I'm consuming this class object here into action class. This is the high level class and this is the low level class. Now according to inversion of control, it is saying that both should depend on abstraction. Abstraction means interfaces. We can achieve abstraction by using interface. So here I'm creating ISend notification one interface and this interface contains the declaration for send method. Now I am implementing ISend notification into email notification class, and by implementing this I'm implementing ISend notification into email notification class and writing the business logic. So it will provide an advantage, means by using the interface we can achieve inversion of control. Now now here you can see that this is my action class after applying inversion of control principle. Here instead of taking the here I am taking the variable of send notification interface, I send notification interface. Here I am taking the variable underscore send notification. So high level module is depend on abstraction, means this underscore send notification variable of this I send notification interface. You can see that I am having constructor and in this constructor I am having one parameter send notification obj of I send notification. So here by using dependency injection means this object will be injected here and I am assigning this object send notification obj to this variable of I send notification interface here. This dot underscore send notification is equal to send notification. So this is pointing to send notification object and this send notification is object of our email notification class which is sent by using the constructor injection here, and I'm using in the send notification method I'm calling send underscore send notification dot send. So here I have applied inversion of control principle. I have removed this new keyword or directly creating the object from this action class, and my higher module is depend on abstraction, that is variable of interface here, and also here in this variable I am getting the object of send email notification class and I am calling the send method. So this is how we can apply dependency inversion principle in C#.